That's too high.
Okay, we'll find something fun for you, okay?
Yeah, not the scary ones, because that's too fast and too scary.
Yeah, that is right. That's okay.
Yeah, we can go to the other rides. It's not scary, yeah?
Hello, my little princess. How was your sleep? Yes? Did you sleep well? Come on. Good morning, guys. Welcome back
To our channel.
and welcome to Dreamworld.
Tickets.
Nandito kami ngayon sa Dreamworld, tita and tito. Nakikita nyo ba ang aming background? Kita ba? Tingnan nyo? Oo, diba? So, today ay isa-celebrate natin yung birthday ni Ate Paris. So, 4th of March yung birthday niya. But diba nung birthday niya, kinailangan namin bumiyay papuntang Cairns because of the wedding. So, hindi namin siya nadala dito sa fun place na to. Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
So, we decided today is Sunday, na dalhin namin siya dito. So, I'm super excited too, guys. Are you excited? Are you excited? Kakarating lang namin dito, guys. Alam nyo ba, naligo ako kaninang umaga. At hindi ko na nasuklay ang aking buhok. So, ganyan talaga yung mom life, guys. Nagmamadali na. So, yung buhok ko ay everywhere ngayon. Hindi ko talaga nasuklay. But anyways, maghahanap na lang ako ng pangtali para itali yung ating hair. So, ito yung ating outfit today. Nak, show your outfit up dito, tita. Dito, here, this way. This is Paris's. This is Elite. And this is Mama's. Ayan. Alis na kami, guys. We'll take you with us para makita nyo naman ang Dreamworld dito sa Gold Coast. Diba? Sobrang laki, guys. Doon pa, papunta pa doon, oh. Dami ng mga tao dito, eh. Yes, Nak?
I'm going there now.
Yeah, we are. We can go now. Have you got the car key, Daddy?
Where is it?
Somewhere. Is it there? Or is it in the bag already? Oh, here, Daddy. Get the car key, Nak, so we can lock the car. Baba, the pink one here. Okay, close it and see if Paris can you lock it?
Which one? Which one?
The top one.
Yeah.
This one?
Yep.
Harder.
Harder. Good job. Are you ready, Selene? Are you gonna have fun?
Mommy?
Yes.
I'll go there later around big.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, let's go.
When you're big. Let's go. Let's go. Did you see it, Nak? Have a look, Nak. Hang on, ha? Wait, ha? Tingnan nyo yung high drop, guys. Oh, how do you call that one, Daddy? High drop. Huh? What is it?
Giant drop.
Giant?
Giant.
Ah, giant drop. Bungol. Saan mo ko pa na-fly? Kakabungol. Wow, sobrang dami lang rides dito. Do you know that this is also my first time here? Yung napuntahan ko lang is yung Movie World tsaka SeaWorld. So, have you been here before, Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, Daddy has.
I haven't went to yet.
No, this is the first time, honey, yeah?
Mine!
Yeah, wow!
I think that's what flies.
That's cool.
That's very cool! Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited to go there next time.
Next.
Round big.
Paris is very excited. Where are you going, Daddy? Welcome to Dreamworld. Nak, say nak, welcome to Dream. Dada, stand there. And say welcome to Dreamworld.
Welcome to Dreamworld.
Huh? Oh, you have to. Wala na yan sa Brisbane, guys, oh. Don't sign in, sign in. Which ride are you going? That honey girl.
I don't know.
Attractions unavailable due to scheduled maintenance.
Oh yeah.
Pero ang dami namang open, guys.
Like, what are you doing?
Daddy's lagging in, my love.
I got you.
Celine! Hi! Are you excited to go to Dreamworld?
Alright, let's go.
Yo, this way, anak!
Let's go, Paris.
Which one? We're inside Dreamworld.
I thought we were going to Lego World.
Oh, do you want to go Lego first?
Maybe this one.
Yeah, we want to go. Alright, it's up to you. Let's go.
Yeah, that one we go later.
Okay.
Have a look, Paris!
We've got tigers and crocodiles.
Oh, yeah?
Right up there.
Oh, you're a princess.
It's really cute.
Do you want it?
Yeah, really cute.
How much is this one?
Ah, lots of... Tingnan nyo kung ano nakita ni Ate Paris.
I got candy jelly.
Nakabili na pala siya ng kanyang crown tsaka yung kanyang wand. Have a look! Super cute. Meron pa silang ice cream doon, oh.
This way, buddy.
Which way, Daddy?
Tiger Island. Oh, ABC Kids World.
That way? Sobrang cute, diba, guys? Grabe, parang bumalik din ako pagkabata ba? Marami yung feeling na wala kang ganito nung kabataan mo. I'm so happy for my kids. Mas bakit ako nagiging emotional? I'm so happy that
Like whenever it's
they've got this opportunity to see all this beautiful stuff. Very grateful, guys. I'm blessed. Paris, you happy?
yeah, really happy.
Oh, IBC kids. Ay, andito kami, guys. Kasi hindi pa makasakay ang ating baby Celine, obviously. Ginamit ko ang hairpin ni Ate Paris para ang ating buhok. Kasi ang ating Daddy Mike ay nandyan. Oh, tsaka si Ate Paris nandyan. Sasakay sila dyan sa maliit na maliit na Ferris wheel. Nak, nak? Nak? Are you excited too, Nak? Are you excited one day? Makakasakay ka rin, anak. She's been a really good girl, guys. Fingers crossed. He'll be like this someday. Yes, anak. Aching, aching. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, sobrang ganda dito. Very colorful, obviously, para sa mga kids, diba? Super, ganda-ganda. Nakakainganyo ba? Nak, no? Kakainganyo na? Kakainganyo? Peekaboo! 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 Show Tita your teeth, babe. Show Tita and Tita your teeth. Come on! Yeah! Babe! Dalawang ipin na yan, eh. Dalawang ipin na yan, eh.
Yeah.
Ready? Ready?
Daddy!
Welcome aboard the Big Red Boat, sailors. Please remain seated and keep your arms and legs inside your boat at all times. Here we go. Have fun sailing across the 7 seas. I'll see you soon.
It's not funny.
You're so funny. Woo, it's fun. Woo! Tiger Island this way. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Nagugutom na si mami nyo. Buti na lang binilhan ako ni Daddy Mike kanina sa ano. Sa bahay pa kami.
What is that?
Sobrang ganda ito.
Is it good roll?
Hmm?
Is it good? Oh crap.
I like the other one better. It looks like it, even when you just look at it, you will know the difference. Yeah? There's no sauce. Tiger Island. Oh my God, tingnan nyo guys. Oh, sobrang laki nila. Sabi ni Paris, but don't be scared. Kasi very cute daw. Tingnan niya. Wala yatang presentation. 3 PM. Tingnan niya, oh. Tapos may isa doon, oh.
Hello. Hey, Tiger. Hey, Tiger.
Oh, there's a tiger here.
Look at the tiger here now. Yeah.
Wow. Oh, cute. You're so cute, Mommy.
Cute?
You're so cute.
You think so?
Mommy. Look in your back. And look what's behind you.
That's a big tiger.
It's not real, Mom. It's just a toy.
Oh, is that? Oh, I'm not scared then. Nini, did you see the tiger now? Celine! Celine, did you see the tiger? Yeah. Oh my God, that's crazy. Paris! Honey? Do you wanna go in there? No? Oh my God. Oh, that's intense. Oh, goodness. Oh, Lord, hindi niya ako makikita sumakay ng ganyan, guys. Bahala kayo. Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo. Okay, where are we now? Chinese. Oh, this is not bad. Paris can go there. Where did you go?
To the dragon, but I was too scared to me small, but I was bigger.
Oh, how do you call that one, Daddy?
Belgium cars.
Huh?
Belgium cars.
Belgium cars. Kakalabas lang nila, guys. Alam niyo ba? Sobrang umiyak ako.
And we're going next to the
I cried, honey. You know, I cried very, very, very hard. I cried.
Why?
Because, alam niyo guys, kung bakit ako umiyak. Daddy, go in front of Celine. Alam niyo ba guys kung bakit ako umiyak? Kasi naalala ko kasi 'di ba last time pumunta kami dito. Hindi dito na hindi sa Dreamworld, pumunta kami ng Movie World. At doon gusto niya sumakay ng ganito tapos hindi siya pinapasok kasi she was too small. At nung papasok mo sila guys, nandiyan sila sa door talaga. Tapos chine-check ni Kuya yung yung kanyang height. yung puso ko talaga guys, gumaganong-ganong ba. Kasi I really wanted her to get in. Kasi gustong-gusto niya talaga. Bumuhos talaga yung luha ko guys nung parang pinapasok na siya ba. Kasi parang sa tuwa yun guys. Kasi I'm very happy na finally nakapasok din siya sa ganyan. First time niya sa ganyan guys. Kaya yeah, are you happy? Mama is super happy for you.
Stand properly so you can go there.
Mama is super happy for you. Okay, we'll go that way now. Ay, grabe. Tulog bida ko sa phone, guys.
So you gotta press, wherever the green one is, you gotta press, okay? Right now. Stop. Stop. And that one. Stop. Quick, quick. Quick, quick. Last one. 4 tickets.
We are just waiting for Ate Paris and Daddy. Pumasok sila dyan sa loob. Dreamworld Ice Cream Parlor. Sobrang cute guys, no? Pink na pink. Pink na pink, isn't it, anak? Hi! Hey! Ito siya is very, sleepy na rin yan guys, oh. Kasi since dumating kami dito, hindi yan siya natulog. Pero naka-day din na yan. Nak, no? Upo lang si mama sa gilid, ah! Palabasan ng didi, ah! Umulan siya konti guys, pero nag-stop na rin siya. Lumabas na naman si Haring Araw. Yan, Paris? Are you having fun?
After ice cream, we'll go to Legos, and when we're finished, we're gonna go to the beach.
Okay, you say so? Time check! It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. People, hi Selene. Hi! Dito kami sa sasakyan guys. So, tapos na kami doon sa Dreamworld. Did you have fun there, honey? Yeah. Kaya nga lang, tingnan nyo nangyari, oh. This is from the ice cream, so just, yeah, we'll wipe that one. But, tingnan nyo yan. No, this one, not the dirty part, not this one. That one is a bubo. Kasi nung palakad na kami pabalik na sasakyan, guys, what happened? Yeah, it will go away. She fell down. Ayan. Laro pa more. Hindi nakatingin sa daan. Kaya, ayun. So, hindi maganda yung end doon sa sa Dreamworld. But, she had fun. You had fun there, Nak, yeah? You went on rides and all?
I don't want to so many rides.
Huh?
I only want one ride.
One ride?
No.
No, you went on a few rides, no? Yeah?
I went to 3 rides.
3 rides?
Yeah.
Was it 3, Daddy? 4. Oh, 4 rides, Daddy said. Dito ako sa likuran, guys, oh. Kasi nag-stop si Daddy Mike ng Hungry Jacks. Tingnan niyo. Tapos ito namang isa, ayaw niya ng Hungry Jacks. So, what would you like, honey?
Please.
From?
McDonald's.
From Old McDonald's. Gusto niya ng... Gusto niya ng Happy Meal, guys, yung box ba? Kasi may laruan na free.
Hey, that's my favorite.
I know, that's why. So, nandito pala kami ng, is it Surfer's Paradise still ready, or? Not anymore.
Yeah.
What is it?
No,
so, we are like 20, maybe half an hour from, half an hour from Dreamworld kami. So, nagbiyahe pa kami, guys. Ayan, pumunta kami ng, kanina, Surfer's Paradise. Parang nag-drive lang kami, ang tawag to, malapit sa water, sa dagat ba? So, nagtingin-tingin ng dagat. Asha, crying. Here. Ito rin gusto na lumabas. Hala. We still have more than an hour drive home. Yeah?
Can you give me that?
Yeah? Oh, no. Okay, we're going now?
Can you consign?
We're going now? Yung ginawa pala namin, guys, bumili kami ng annual pass. So, how much was the annual pass today?
117.
17? 19.
119.
Yeah. So, $119 each. So, kay Daddy Mike, Paris, and myself, kasi free pa si babysitting kasi infant, di ba?
And
So,
I went to the dragon ride, and I was going around, and Tio took my height. I was so big.
oh, good job. See, because you've been eating and drinking, that's why. Good job. So, ayan guys, annual pass yun. So, anytime na gusto namin bumalik sa Dreamworld. Was it for Dreamworld only, Daddy, or?
And Whitewater World.
What was it?
Whitewater World?
Whitewater World, which is next to it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, annual pass, anytime na gusto namin pumunta ng Dreamworld, guys, for the whole year, makakabalik kami doon for just $119. Kasi, kung one pass lang, yung for today lang, from $79 each. So sabi ko, since you know we're locals now, dito na kami nakatira sa Brisbane, and we've got kids, so you know, I think it's worth it na mag-annual pass, kunin namin yung annual pass para anytime makakabalik kami doon. Nak na! Ay, gusto mag-git siya mag-apil-apil. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang buhok, guys, ah. Makapal na.
What's this for?
Brown ang kanyang hair.
Do you know what's this for?
Get brown hair. What is that now? Oh, yeah, that's what Paris got from. This is what Paris got from. Ano?
Yeah, and I got dolphin.
She won this one.
I got a shark.
Nabulingitan na anak ko eh. Derte naman yung buang.
There's a shark.
Buang ka.
Why is a shark, Mommy? Is a shark see?
Is it? What's the color of your shark?
Orange.
Orange. Alright, we'll keep moving now. We still have to go. Yeah, I know. Where would you like to go? Oh, Bernard. We'll go to Old McDonald's. Tingnan niyo, nauga na ang luha pag mauga muta. Okay. Alright, we're going now. Alright, Selene? We're going now.
Open the bag, Daddy.
What bag?
A few moments later.
Time check, people. It is... What time is it now? Can you read it?
8:45.
8:45. It's 8:45 ng gabi. Ngayon lang kami nakapag-vlog ulit. Was Celine crying before?
Yeah.
Why do you think she's crying?
I don't know.
Guess. When you were a baby, what's the reason why you cry? Can you remember? Can you still remember or no? No?
I used to play rock, paper, scissors.
No, not when you were a baby. It was very challenging, guys, yung pag-uwi namin kanina. Because Celine was crying the whole way. You know what? We had to stop. How many times did we stop? Before? 100?
No, I will tell you secret.
So we stopped sa gilid ng daan, guys, kasi we had to console her. Okay. Alright. So, nag-stop kami. Kasi alam ko, siguro gutom na siya. So, nag-stop kami first para padidiin siya. So, ginamit namin yung highway. Kailangan namin mag-exit sa... Ang sakit ng dila ko, guys. Uy, meron akong singaw.
I forgot to say earrings.
Yes, man.
Look, see?
So, nag-exit kami. Medyo malayo pa. I think it was around 22 minutes away pa from dito sa bahay. At nag-stop kami para padidiin siya at pinatahan namin siya. So, we thought it's gonna be fine now. She'll be okay now. And then, she cried again, guys, nung pagkalagay namin sa sasakyan ulit.
We went to Dreamworld.
We did. And then, nag-stop kami ulit like 14 minutes away. Kasi, hindi talaga, guys, like, parang she's already sick of being in the car for that. Luto tayo, guys. Tingnan nyo. Korean style instant noodle. Sarap na sarap ako dito, guys. Spicy to siya ngayon. Good luck sa aking singaw. Normally, mild yung binibili ko. But ito na lang yung naiwan eh. Spicy. Gin ramen. Oh, snacks din guys. Pag may time. Nakain na si mami niyo guys ng ating ramen. Ito siya ay nabihisan ko natin yan niya. Oh. We're going to bed soon. Si mami niyo ay ganun pa rin yung suot. Walang pagbabago. Pero ang aking mata ay sige nagmuta-muta. Very sleepy too guys. Kasi alam niyo ba si baby Celine ay napakaagang gumising talaga guys. Maaga din kasi siya natutulog. Siguro I will change a little bit. Kasi pag 7:30, tulog na yan siya. Nagising siya guys, minsan 5:30, ganun. Si mami niyo ay naku, grabe. Walang babaeng walang pahinga. Yes, my love. What would you like to watch? Grabe, sobra din yung iyak niya talaga sa sasakyan kanina guys. Kapag nilalabas namin siya sa sasakyan, she's fine. She's actually like smiling. Wala siyang problema. Siguro, hindi lang talaga niya type na yung naka-stuck siya sa sasakyan. Huh? But we had a great day today. Did you have fun today? Yeah? Yeah. Well, that's the main thing. Pero, nung palabas na nga kami, tingnan niyo. Siya, tita, your bubo. Naglagay na siya ng band-aid. Meron talagang scratch dyan, guys. Oh. Malakas talaga yung pagkaano niya. Do you have anything? Yeah, meron din sa tuhod. My goodness.
There's one here.
Which one? Oh, yeah. Nak, why is it everywhere, Nak? How did you fall? Did you swim to the floor?
No, because I just...
Meron dito, oh. Meron din dito. Excited kasi siya kasi yung laruan niya nasa ilalim ng pram. So, hindi niya nakita. Parang may curve pala ba? So, ayun. Anyways, guys, that's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed as much as we enjoyed going to Dreamworld. And anytime that Paris wants to go to Dreamworld, we can go.
Yeah, we can get some money. Dad's gonna go to work in the morning to get some money for our SeaWorld.
That's right. Exactly. Gusto din niyang pumunta ng SeaWorld. So, yung binili nga namin annual pass for Dreamworld. So, yung SeaWorld, iba din yun. Kailangan mo rin bumili ng pass, like, one-day pass or...
It's really bad.
Is that? No, it's gonna go away tomorrow.
I think that
The next day.
which day?
Tomorrow is Monday, so Tuesday.
Is that two sleeps?
2 sleeps, yes, that's right. Tonight and then tomorrow night.
No, I don't want to.
Okay, my love. And then, very handy kasi yung Dreamworld is only less than 40 minutes from here. So, hindi siya gaanong malayo talaga. So, that's really, really good. So, anytime you can just go.
And I went in the dragon one and checked my height and bed.
Inuulit-ulit talaga niya, guys. Oh, kanina, naiyak talaga ako. So, grabe, guys. Pagkakita ko sa kanya na chinecheck na yung height, sus, yung kuba-kuba talaga yung lughan ko ba. But, yeah. I'm super glad that you were able to get in, honey. Did you enjoy it? Yeah?
Yeah, I made noises.
You made noises?
Yeah, when we're going.
Oh, okay. But yeah, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up.
I'm ready.
Oh, you did? Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Daddy Mike is also in bed now. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Okay, bye-bye.
bye.